This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively on your laptop. First, establish a dedicated digital workspace. Close all unnecessary tabs and applications to minimize distractions. If possible, use a second monitor. This can significantly boost your productivity by allowing you to view multiple resources simultaneously. Always ensure your laptop is fully charged or connected to power, preventing interruptions during your study session. A well-prepared environment is the first step to success. Next, engage actively with your material. Don't just passively read. Take detailed digital notes using applications like OneNote or Evernote. After completing each section, pause and summarize the key concepts in your own words. This active recall strengthens memory. Incorporate online flashcards for spaced repetition, a proven method for long-term retention. Also, seek out interactive simulations or practice problems to apply your knowledge directly. Managing digital distractions is crucial for effective laptop study. Try the Pomodoro technique, working for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break. Utilize website blockers to prevent access to social media and entertainment sites during study periods. Crucially, turn off all notifications from messaging and communication applications. Remember to take short, scheduled breaks away from your screen to rest your eyes and mind, maintaining focus for longer periods. Finally, optimize your digital resources for maximum efficiency. Organize your files and study materials into logical folders, making everything easy to find. Leverage cloud storage services for secure backups and seamless access across devices. Explore various educational applications and software that can enhance your understanding of specific subjects. Consistently review your digital notes. This regular reinforcement is vital for solidifying your learning and achieving academic success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.